Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock websites on Google for iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go to find your settings app. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit and find screen time. Okay, this one right here. So just tap on screen time. Now go ahead and scroll down and find content and privacy restrictions. So just tap on it and just make sure that content and privacy restrictions right here is disabled. Okay, let's toggle. Just turn it off. And then once that's done, go ahead and test it out. And you should be good to go. All right. Now, say for example, you're trying to open up Safari or even Google, okay, or the Google Chrome app. I'm just going to go ahead over to google.com right here. And at the very bottom, you'll find the settings option. Okay, so just tap on settings. Now go ahead and tap on search settings. Okay, wait for it to load. Once it loads, you'll find safe search. So just tap on it. And once you're in here, just make sure that it's turned off. Okay, turn it off. And once done, you should be good to go. That is how you unblock websites on Google. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.